Here, Nick. Stand right here and record this all for me, okay?
All for you. Okay.
Wait, that motherfucker's still smoldering.
Oh God.
Oh, he's cooking up something.
Blows up.
Yeah,
I know.
Something up.
Y'all back up.
Yeah, back up. Record this. Just back up.
Whoa.
Back up, back
Oh,
up,
it's on
back
fire.
up.
No, that one just caught on fire.
Keep going.
Oh God.
Nick, come on.
Woo! I thought it was. I thought that thing was gonna explode. Cause it kept going boop boop boop
Alright,
boop boop.
stay right there and record if you need to move.
Jump it up.
No, you
Kick it. That's right. Dang, that thing just went like move. I have to be on this side so I can record for Jared. Shine, look. Let's do it. Jared, I was recording.
I am. I'm gonna take over while Mom does this.
Jared, make the PC back up.
Yeah, you can.
What's this one called?
Starfire. So is this one.
I hope it's mostly I mean, yeah, it's cool. They look like stars.
Here, Nick. Don't move as much, and don't put your hand right there. Don't back up, try not to move. We got this cool one. I want to take that one right there for last.
Which
Not
one?
very last. This one for the last of these tall ones.
What's it called?
Mortar Fire.
Woo!
Sounds cool, so that's why I want to take it last.
What if this one just like explodes without notice?
Long one.
Yeah.
They don't want to give up. This one might not either.
Wow.
Keep it going, buddy.
We gave us a good deal on the fireworks then.
This one's just never ending.
I know it.
Wow.
That was
Watch it
cool.
shoot back.
Stop.
Yeah, no.
I wish Jake's not like petrified.
I would laugh so hard.
Alright, this one's also
I would laugh
Starfire.
so hard if it. Get away.
Don't you feel
Get away.
sticky and gross? I kind of just want to go inside
I
and take a
kinda-
shower.
No, I want to watch these.
Oh yeah, after this. Look at this in the tree.
Yeah, that's from when Nick popped it.
Oh my God.
That's not hard. This one won't get open. Yeah, see if you can open that. That one won't open at all. Yeah. I can't get it to open.
Oh,
It
no,
takes it
you
real good.
are.
That's the biggest one that we have.
Whoa!
That's what I was saying.
I saw that.
That was awesome. I think that was meant to happen.
Yeah.
I
Shane.
think that was the best part of the whole part.
I think that was meant to happen though. A ring of smoke.
Nathan, come out for the last finale one.
He has to. Nick,
You have to.
You have to
come
get
on.
this whole thing
For
perfect,
the last,
Nick.
there's 3 left. You'll be fine.
Stand on the porch.
This one's
At
global
least.
lights.
No, he'll probably get attacked by bugs.
Global lights.
Like the ceiling can't hold us.
The song sucks.
Glowing lights.
Global.
Global.
Global lights. Ooh. Ooh, they look cool.
I know, too much smoke though.
Mr. Worldwide. Me party town like New York City. Shane, you see the ring of smoke things? The ring of smoke. Oh, look, Mama. Right there. Ring of smoke. Ring of smoke. Oh, Jake just cut it. Ring of smokes are coming out of this.
I know.
Woo!
Move, Jacob.
Well, I'm trying not to get in the smoke.
We'll get over here.
Jay, alright, I gotta stop it. Jay, stop.
No.
I'm tired of holding it.
Yeah, take a photo of your own.
Yeah. Shines records and take pictures on her own.
Got a picture of nothing. Yeah.
Wait, which one's next?
Mountain
Mortar.
fire.
Yeah. Mortar fire.
Ooh, this is gonna be red.
Yeah,
Why does it feel like it?
Whoa.
what?
Went down in a freaking hole or something.
This one's mortar fire.
Why'd you say Mr. Walden?
Because it's the world. Okay, never mind. Okay, no.
Mom?
Nathan has perfect view now.
And then my brother's laugh. You can't see it.
Where's the red?
Where's the fire?
Yeah. Where's the fire?
Exactly.
Oh wow. That's not even.
We're on our last.
I know, right?
I'm gonna get a video.
Do you think it's early or late? Like too late or too early?
Son, after 10 o'clock, you have to cease noise outside. It's because you're in a neighborhood and people have to sleep and get up in the morning. Just because you're ready to party don't mean everybody can.
Yeah, I have to get up in the morning.
All right.
Last one.
To work.
This one's fire destroyers.
Last one.
It's gonna be awkward.
Last one!
Come out for the last one.
Yeah.
Just let him stay where he wants. With this one, like, toes sucked.
It better not. This is my favorite one.
You ready, Mom? Woo! Hey!
That's not right.
Na 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 na. Oh, yeah!
That was cool.
This is like gold. Last call of it. That's the last call of it, guys.
No, it ain't.
Oh.
This one don't want to give up.
That is cool. That's like a fountain or something that lights up. That's cool.
That scares the crap out of me.